Hi Green. This is a video to show you how to make a self-portrait inspired by an artist called Pablo Picasso, who was famous for starting a movement called Cubism. As you can see here, Cubism aims to show the viewer different viewpoints of a person or object, and using geometrical shapes. You can see the side eye there and a full-on eye, as well as a side profile nose. The first thing that we can do is to glue together a few pieces of coloured paper or card, and then you can place that in the middle of the paper. Once you've done that, you can then use a pencil to sketch out the face shape, making sure that you are keeping it as close as possible to the edges of the paper so that the paper's taking up most of the face. Once you've done that, you can begin to start sketching out your features. So a tip I would give you is to draw one of the eyes facing forward, and the other eye I would do as a side profile, as you'll see in the video. To also give it a bit of depth, I would draw a nose, maybe protruding out of the side of the face, to look as if it is a side profile. Picasso's paintings or pictures were known to be quite angular, so we're using geometrical shapes there to make the eyelashes, using some rectangles and some slightly curved lines for the eyelashes on the second eye. He also used circles to represent depth. So here it's a cheek has been drawn, and the circles in the centre are to show where the cheek would have kind of protruded out of the face. The last thing to do is to add on some hair, making sure it's different on both sides, and adding an ear onto the front-facing side of the face. Once you've completed all of your pencil lines, I would then use a black felt tip or a black crayon or black marker to go over the lines. As you can see, this is my finished piece, and I've made sure that all of the white paper has been coloured in with the felt tips or crayons. The second way you can do it is to draw each feature onto a separate piece of paper or card, and then rearrange them until you're happy with the arrangement, and then you can stick them down onto the card. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'd love to see your creations.